السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم الأستاذ رائد قسامي. Today we will solve the question is how to find the equation of the plane that contains the point P is 1, 3, -1, and the line x equal to -1, -2t, y is equal to 1 plus 3t, and z is equal to 2 plus 4t. طبعا this is the question. Just to explain how we will find the solution, we have a plane. في عندنا مستوى plane. الplane فيه line. This is the line, and I have another point and a point. طبعا to find the equation of this plane, first step is to find, we need a point, and the point exists here, is a given 1, 3, and -1, so this term is okay. Second thing that we need to solve, normal vector. And what's the normal vector? Is a vector that's perpendicular to the plane. Perpendicular to the plane يعني is a vector like this, and it make with the plane 90 degree. We need this normal vector. حلو. هسا to find this normal vector, just we need two vectors. طلعوا أول إشي we need two vectors. يعني we need vector number 1 and we need vector number 2, and we will make a cross product between them to find the normal vector. Then we will end the solution. هسا first we have a ready vector here. في عندي vector جاهز هيو. الvector is the coefficient of t here. Look, and 3 and 4. This vector is in the plane. يعني هذا الفيكتور v1 is can be given that -2, 3, and 4. Now we need this v1, and we will take v2, and the cross product will be the normal vector. طيب جميل جدا. الآن بكل بساطة شباب, we will have to find 2 points. If I find 2 points, then in this plane, 2 points inside this plane, I have 1 point. The 1 point is P, and we want to find another P. Another P is embedded inside this line. يعني هسا أنا عندي point P يا شباب. الpoint P هي 1 و3 و-1. معناته بدي بس point ثانية inside the plane حتى اني ايش اقدر اعمل بيناتهم فيكتور جديد inside the plane. يعني لو اجيت اخذت على اللاين هاي any point on this line, يعني if I take t equal 0, then we will get x is equal -1, -2 times 0, which is -1. Y is equal 1 plus 3 times 0, which is 1, and z is equal 2 plus 4 times 0, which is 2. So the new point Q is -1 and 1 and 2. جميل. معناته يا شباب صار عندي أنا إيش تقريبا. Let's take this. حلو. The point Q is also inside the plane, which is -1, 1, and 2. هسا to find the vector v2 is the same as this vector, the vector from P to Q, which will be طلع يا شباب PQ معناته Q negative P, يعني Q negative P will be -1 -1 and 1 -3 and 2 -1. يعني احنا طرحنا -1 من 1 1 -3 and 2 -1. By simplifying we will get the second vector -2 -2 and 3. طيب بعدين بس خلصنا شو صار عندنا. Now we have the following. I have two vectors v1 and v2. Both of these vectors are inside the plane. Now apply the cross product v1 cross v2 is equal to I j k. Now the vector v1 is -2 3 4 -2 3 4 and vector v2 is -2 -2 and 3 and the answer will be انتبه. the best way افضل طريقه حتى تطلع الكروس برودكت اول شيء بتكتب I open bracket negative at the middle. Now it's plus minus plus, then negative j open bracket negative at the middle plus k open bracket negative at the middle. Now انتبهوا يا شباب، اول اشي العمود الاي بنلغاه بناخذ the determinant of this matrix. 3 times 3 is 9 and 4 times -2 is -8. Then I will take, so it's 9 -8 and now I will delete this and will take this. يلا شباب -2 times 3 is -6 and 4 times -2 is -8. After that I will delete this and take this. -2 times -2 is 4 and 3 times -2 is -6. By simplifying this one v cross this I will call normal vector to the plane. يلا شباب 9 -8 is 17 I, negative plus 6 plus 8 is positive 2 and negative j, so -2 j and plus 10 k. So we will get the normal vector. أخذنا النورمال فيكتور. طبعا if you want to check يعني إذا حاب تتأكد يلا اعمل dot product between v1 cross v2 dot v1 for an example. اضرب 17 times -2 is -34 and -2 times 3 is -6 which is -40 plus 40 which is 0. يعني هيك انت بتكون تأكدت انه this is the normal vector لانه طبقت we applied the dot product between these vectors. We will then we got 0. Now شباب the equation of this plane is طلع. I will write look to the component of this vector. We have a b c. Then I will write a 17 x minus, choose any point. We have 2 points here. يعني أنا في عندي نقطتين، أنت حر بدك تستخدم ال P ولا ال Q and this is Q. If you want to use P is right and if you want to use Q is also right. So I will choose the point from the question. والpoint اللي هي هيها موجودة 1 3 -1. I will choose the point 1 3 negative 1 just to be sure. 1 3 and negative 1. يعني راح نقول ايش x negative 1 and we have negative 2 times y negative 3. This is the negative 3 and plus 10 z negative 1. This is negative 1 which is equal to 0. وبهيك بحمد الله نكون أنهينا حل هذا السؤال بناء على طلب الطلاب. كان معكم الأستاذ رائد. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.